Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Oh my God! Jesus freaking God dang it, G mother freaking believe it, man! Oh, that scared the bejesus out of me, man. Holy shit.
Downtown, baby. People are fucking crazy, dude. I guarantee you that dude almost hit like at least 2 or 3 people. The way he was erratically fucking all over the place. Bro, what is he fucking doing? Here he goes again. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit. Chill out, bro.
Okay. Can I?
Step off the bike.
I have to put it in. I have to put it down.
Step off now.
Okay. I'm gonna push the brake.
You off.
I'm not pulling off, dude.
Put it in park.
Okay.
I swear to God, you don't pull off.
Dude, why would I pull off? I didn't see you behind me, man. Look, I'm normal, bro.
Step off the bike.
Okay, do you want me to turn off?
Step off the bike.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hey.
Step off, man. Step back here.
Okay.
How come we going 115 miles an hour?
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
I am.
How come we waited till this car to stop?
I didn't see you behind me.
You didn't?
I did not.
You hit your brakes as I come out.
I hit my brakes to tell you that I saw you. I did. I clicked my brakes when I saw you break your lights over on the intersection to tell you that I saw you.
So you continue to come in across state lines?
I didn't think you were gonna...
You didn't think I was gonna follow you?
No, I did not. 100%.
So you ran across state lines thinking I wasn't going to come get you, right?
No, I was gonna keep going. I was gonna slow down. I'm just trying to get home. I live in St. Augustine. I got you. Can I take off my gloves?
Yep.
Can I put them on the top of your car?
Yep.
Okay.
Că ți ridică, lasă. Stai jos. Cum ești ok?
Da, mi-au necat cauciucul băgănă și...
Te-am văzut, te-ai dus larg. Te-ai dus larg. Poți să tragi de el? Scoate și trage puțin de acolo.
Really, dude? And wait? No?
I'll submit that somewhere.
I'm calling the cops.
Okay. I'll tell them exactly what happened.
Yeah, you're taking a speed down the road you're not even allowed to drive on, about run over a pedestrian?
Get out of my face.
Huh?
Get out of my face.
Who do you think you are?
Get out of my face.
Why? Why do you speed?
Because it's fun. We're
No, yeah, it's fun. You see that speed limit right there?
because we're kids.
I don't care, it's 25.
Just because you're old and you can't have fun anymore.
Oh, don't give me that crap. Stay off the road if you're gonna speed. Or you're gonna wreck it for everybody. You know that?
Yeah, you don't have to come at me like this though.
Yeah, I do. You about run me over, you about killed me twice.
Because you were in the middle of the road.
I'm a pedestrian and you have no legal right on it.
I was going down the road minding my own business and you came out in front of me.
You have no legal right on the road with that thing.
You.
He's a child. You should give him his key back.
He doesn't have the right to drive on. He about killed me twice.
You don't own the road.
Because he jumped out in front of me. He jumped out in front of me.
Shut up. Oh, you're a dumb kid too.
I'm 36 years old, you fucking idiot.
You're a dumb
Okay,
kid.
I'm not a kid.
Yeah, you are a
kidding
kid.
me?
The way you're talking, you sound stupid.
Oh, really? You don't look stupid coming and attacking a 12-year-old?
I'm not attacking it.
I have it on video, buddy.
I don't
Call the
care.
cops.
You know what the speed
Call
limit
the
is?
cops. I'm gonna go get my pistol.
Get here,
right now.
do it.
Okay, please.
You know what the speed limit is?
Quiet, hello.
You know what the speed limit is?
I do know what the speed limit
It
is.
ain't 50 either.
Where's your proof I was going 50?
You
Hey,
old.
we have someone on their way, bud.
Thank you.
And flipping me off afterwards too.
Yeah, man, you almost killed me.
Oh, I did.
You see how f***ing close I was to flipping my
I
quad?
am a pedestrian on the road.
You were
Yeah,
jumping out in front of me.
I was walking. You don't have no legal right.
Going like this is not walking
I
out.
don't know what you're gonna do.
I mean, you're coming at me.
Don't matter. Don't you f***ing understand a thing I'm saying?
I do. I can hear you just fine.
All right, you're supposed to be on the damn road with the quad. Do you have a license? Do you have a helmet on? Do you?
Can you get away from me, man, please?
We have it all on video, bud.
Give a rap. You guys.
Thank you.
Quiet, go home.
How you trying to take a monkey?
I catch you speeding down here again. This is getting impounded.
Okay,
You don't think I know how to do that?
I'm calling the cops right now, so it's fine.
Call them. I wish you would. Leave this thing sit you. Quiet. How freaking stupid are you?
How stupid are you?
Call.
Messing with a 13-year-old.
You need your fucking hit. You're
Hit
so
me.
Stupid.
Hit me. Do it.
I'll call Hayes right now, bud. He's gonna be on his way.
Dude, get everybody here. You guys are totally in the wrong. You know that?
I know where he lives. I
You guys
know.
are totally-
He smashed my dad's phone for driving.
You guys are totally in the wrong. You think you're,
You're
in the
also
right?
in the wrong.
Huh?
You're in the wrong.
Why am I in the wrong?
Because you're an adult. He's a
Oh,
child.
what's that got to do with him driving down that illegally?
Then talk to him about it.
I did.
You're
I
an
tried to.
adult.
I tried to.
It
until.
looks like it.
Shut
It didn't
up.
look like.
You're
Don't tell
stupid
me
too.
to shut up. Don't.
Shut up.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Shut up. Get out of here.
You get your ass out of here. Did you give him his key back?
Yeah, I got it.
Get on your four-wheeler and go home. I'm sending this to Hayes
Can you?
right now.
I don't have a helmet on already.
It's fine. Go.
Okay.
Ooh, that was tight. Yeah, wait up, Edgy. Ah!
What the f are you doing, you dumb f? What the f?
Christ.
Here comes another one wanting to go. I don't care what you're indicating. Turn. Open your eyes, mate. Turn. What are these people stopping for? Oh, for f***'s sake. Thanks, man. Thank you.